What's up, y'all? I'm JC, owner of 502 Equipment. Today I'm going to cover winterizing a PipeHunter Jetter trailer. Do need an external air compressor to winterize this unit. I'm going to walk through it step by step. First thing we're going to do is drain all the water off our unit. Water tank, main water supply valve, got a filter right here. I'm going to take it, screw it off. Okay, you're going to start to get some water. Once the filter's out, take it, get all the water off. All right, guys, now gravity done its thing. We've let most of the water drain out. We're gonna come and close that valve. That'll isolate the water tank, put our filter and our air chuck back inside of there. At this point, before I hook up the air compressor to it, I wanna come back here to my hose reel. I wanna make sure it's in the open position, okay? If it's down in the bypass position, I'm just gonna pump water right back into the water tank, not get the water out of my hose reel. Very important. Have it in the open position. Cut back, take our air chuck, blow it out. You want to do this process till you're spitting air out of the front hose reel. Last thing you want to do, key detail right here, very important. Although we've aired it out, I got air coming out of my hose reel, I'm not done. Every triplex water pump has 3 plungers right here at the top. Right here, plunger, plunger, plunger. Up on top of the pump right here is a valve. These valves will hold water. Air will not get it out. In order to get that last little bit of water out, we must run this pump. So I'm gonna start the unit and fire the pump up and let it run for 10 or 15 seconds. Finish up getting the last little bit of air out. All right, guys, last thing we want to do now that we've got our machine winterized, we've blown it out, we ran the pump, we want to leave our filters open and get the last little bit of water out. We'll take our filter off, open our valve back up, let that last little bit of water drain out. Now your PipeHunter unit is winterized. This has been JC, owner of 502 Equipment. Let's get it.